Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this session we are going to discuss concepts related to chapter 17, that is Replace Letters by Digits Part 1. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos. Problem number 1. Replace the letters with appropriate digits in the following sums. Note that different letters have different values. A6 multiplied by B equals to 25A. B, AA into B equals to 2BA. And C, AB6 multiplied by B equals to CCD0. In the problems we saw, we are required to find out suitable values for the letters A, B, C and D. Before we go to the solution, let us discuss logical approach to solve such problems. Let us learn the fundamentals first. Let us begin with the fundamentals first for solving this type of problems. Generally, many students are afraid to solve puzzles. The reason? They find it difficult, confusing, time-consuming and troublesome. Now let us try to understand why does this happen. This happens because they attempt without sharpening their fundamentals. They try to cut short the process by jumping to conclusions. They follow trial and error method. They bypass steps and lose track of the proper sequence. As a result, they end up in confusion. Therefore, you should learn and follow systematic process based on facts for deciding the logical steps and their sequence. This will make your efforts enjoyable and fruitful. Now let us discuss few examples to understand the logical steps. To sharpen our logical skill, we are going to discuss a few small problems. First one is AB minus 8 equals to 4. Now here B is less than 8. Hence 10 plus B minus 8 should be equal to 4 and therefore we get B equals to 2. Naturally, A will be equal to 1 as remainder is only 4. The final sum will be 12 minus 8 equals to 4. Number 2, AB minus 8 equals to 34. We have learned from example 1 that B will be equal to 2. A will be equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4, as 1 was carried forward to unit position. And therefore the answer will be 42 minus 8 equals to 34. Number 3. A into A equals to star A. Here the value of star is not given. In this case we have got many possibilities. First one is A equals to 0 and naturally star will also be equal to 0. Next one is A equals to 1 and star in this case will be equal to 0 as 1 into 1 we will get a resultant of 1. Third one is A equals to 5 and in this case star will be equal to 2 because we will get 5 into 5 equals to 25. The last one is A equals to 6 and star will be equal to 3 because 6 into 6 is 36. Number 4. A into A equals to star 5. Here we have A equals to 5 and star will be equal to 2 because 5 into 5 will be equal to 25. This is the only answer possible. Number 5. A into A equals to star 6. Here there are two possibilities. A equals to 4 and in that case star will be equal to 1 because 4 into 4 equals to 16. The second one is A equals to 6 and star will be equal to 3 because 6 into 6 will be equal to 36. In this case, we have got two possible answers. Now 6. A into A equals to star 1. Here there are two possible answers. A will be equal to 1 and star will be equal to 0 because 1 into 1 we will get 1. The second possibility is A equals to 9 and star equals to 8 because 9 into 9 equals to 81. No other digit will fulfill the given condition. Number 7. A into A equals to star 9. Here again we will have two possible answers. A equals to 3 and in that case star will be equal to 0 because 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. The second possible answer is A equals to 7 and in that case star will be equal to 4 because 7 into 7 equals to 49. Number 8. B into B equals to 1B. Here considering B into B equals to star B, B will be equal to either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6. However, considering 1B, B cannot be 0, 1, 5 or 6 because none of the digit will have a carry forward of 1 which is needed. Hence, this is an impossible situation. Number 9. A into B equals to 1B. Look for the possibilities of having 1 in tens position in the table of 2 to 9 and we will have the following possibilities. In the table of 2 we will have 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8 and 2 into 9. In the table of 3 we will have 3 into 4, 3 into 5 and 3 into 6. Similarly, in the table of 4 and 5 we will have 4 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 2 and 5 into 3. In the table of 6 we will have 6 into 2 and 6 into 3. In the table of 7, 8 and 9 we will have 7 into 2, 8 into 2 and 9 into 2. If you look at the table, we will have two possible solutions. 3 into 5 we get 15 and 6 into 2 we get 12. And therefore first possibility is if B is 2 then A is 6, that is 6 into 2 equals to 12, and if B is 5 A will be equal to 3 because 3 into 5 equals to 15. To confirm, you may try with other values of B and A and you will find that there are only two possible answers. Number 10. AB into 4 equals to A2. Here B into 4 should be equal to star 2. Now we have got two possibilities. B equals to 3, that is 3 into 4 equals to 12, or B equals to 8, that is 8 into 4 equals to 32. Hence, values of A and B will be equal to either 1 and 3 or 3 and 8. Putting these values on left hand side, that is AB into 4, we get 13 into 4 equals to 52 and 38 into 4 equals to 152, which do not fulfill right hand side, that is A2. Hence this is an impossible problem under the given conditions. Number 11. AB into C equals to C8. Here A into C should be equal to C with brought forward equals to 0. This gives A equals to 1. Now B into C should be equal to 8 without any carry forward. Hence the values of B and C will be either 2 and 4 or 4 and 2. Therefore we will have two possible answers. A equals to 1, B equals to 2 and C equals to 4. That is 12 into 4 equals to 48. And A equals to 1, B equals to 4 and C equals to 2. That is 14 into 2 equals to 28. Number 12. AB into 4 equals to B2. Here B into 4 equals to star 2. Now B will be equal to 3, that is 3 into 4 equals to 12, or B will be equal to 8, that is 8 into 4 equals to 32. Now A into 4 plus brought forward digit equal to B. If B is 3, then A into 4 plus 1 equals to 3, and this is not possible. If B equals to 8, then A into 8 plus 3 equals to 8. This is also not possible. Hence, this is an impossible situation. We can also analyze the problem in other way. B2 equals to either 32 or 82. 32 is divisible by 4, but the resultant will be 8, a single digit. We need to have a two-digit resultant. 82 is not divisible by 4. This way also we can conclude that this is an impossible situation. Number 13. AB into 4 equals to CA0. Here, considering B into 4 equals to star 0, B will be either 0 or 5. Because 4 into 0 equals to 0 and 4 into 5 equals to 20. If B equals to 0, A0 into 4 will be equal to CA0 and A into 4 should be equal to CA, which is not possible. If B equals to 5, A5 into 4 should be equal to CA0 and A into 4 plus 2 should be equal to CA. This is possible with A equals to 6 because 6 into 4 plus 2 will be equal to 26. Hence, A equals to 6, B equals to 5 and C equals to 2. That is 65 into 4 equals to 260. Number 14. AOB minus CC equals to C7C. Here, if B is greater than C, then 10 minus C equals to 7. In that case, C will be equal to 3. If B is smaller than C, then 9 minus C equals to 7 and C will be equal to 2. Now taking B as greater than C, B minus C equals to C and B will be twice of C, and therefore B will be equal to 6. Now A plus 1 equals to C and A will be equal to 4. Hence A equals to 4, B equals to 6, C equals to 3, that is 406 minus 33 equals to 373. Now if we consider B as smaller than C, then C will be equal to 2, B will be equal to 4 and A will be equal to 3. And these values do not give desired result, and therefore we have only one answer. 15. If ABC into F equals to ABC, what is the value of F? Naturally, value of F will be 1. 16. If ABC divided by D equals to ABC, what is the value of D? Naturally and most obviously, the value of D will be equal to 1. 17. CA into B equals to 107. Here, values of A and B will be equal to 3 and 9 or 9 and 3. The multiplication will result in a carry forward of 2. possible values of C shall be 1 if B equals to 9 and 3 if B equals to 3. However, we need C into B plus 2 equals to 10, and it's not possible to get 10 in given conditions, and therefore this is an impossible situation. Number 18. CA into B equals to 207. Here values of A and B are 9 and 3, as 9 into 3 equals to 27. No other two digits are possible. 1 and 7 or 7 and 1 shall give 7 in unit position only. If A equals to 3, then C into 9 plus 2 will be equal to 20. This is possible when C equals to 2, that is 2 into 9 plus 2 equals to 20. Hence, A will be equal to 3, B will be equal to 9, C will be equal to 2, that is 23 into 9 equals to 207. This is first solution. If we now take A equals to 9, then C into 3 plus 2 will be 20. This is possible when C equals to 6 and 6 into 3 plus 2 will be equal to 20. Hence, A will be equal to 9, B will be equal to 3 and C will be equal to 6, and the solution will be 69 into 3 equals to 207. This is second solution. 19. AB into AB equals to CCB. Let us rewrite the problem in conventional way, that is AB multiplied by AB. Here B into B equals to star B, and therefore B will be equal to either 1 or 5. Naturally, it cannot be 0. Now A into A does not result in any carry forward. That is, A will be equal to either 1 or 2 or 3. If B equals to 1 and A equals to 2, we will get first answer as 21 into 21 equals to 441. If B equals to 5, then A will be equal to 1 and we will get second answer as 15 into 15 equals to 225. This is how we could get two answers. Having discussed and understood the concept very clearly, now let's apply those concepts to solutions. Now the first problem was A6 into B equals to 25A. Now A is in the unit column of table of 6. If B is 1, then A will be equal to 6. This is not possible because 61 into 1 will be 61. If B equals to 2, then A equals to 2, not possible because 26 into 2 equals to 52, and we cannot have A equals to B. If B equals to 3, A will be equal to 8. This is possible because 86 into 3 we will get 258. Hence, A equals to 8 and B equals to 3. Now let's see the second problem. It was AA into B equals to 2BA. Now here we may check table of 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on, and we get the answer 44 into 6 equals to 264. Hence, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. Now, if you want to think, you can think of a better logic also. Now let's come to third problem, which was AB6 into B equals to CCD0. Here B will be equal to 5 as 6 into B equals to star 0. D will be equal to 8 as 5 into 5 plus 3 equals to 28. And A will be equal to 4 as 4 into 5 plus 2 equals to 22. Hence A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 2 and D is equal to 8. And final answer is 456 multiplied by 5 equals to 2280. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on getting ready for aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.